Hello and welcome to this once-in-a-lifetime opportunity right here in the heart of Temecula Wine Country. Hi, I'm Kim with Meeker Realty Group, and I'm here to present to you an exceptional parcel of land nestled right off of Rancho California Road. Just imagine waking up to stunning vistas of rolling vineyards and picturesque landscapes. With over 50 wineries just a stone throw away, you'll be at the epicenter of California's wine culture. The air here is filled with the aroma of fine wines and the promise of unforgettable experiences. But that's not all. This parcel offers more than just a beautiful view. It provides you with an easy access, buildable home site, perfect for crafting your custom dream home. With a view like this, you can even cultivate your own vineyard and grow grapes right on your own property, joining the legacy of winemaking in this prestigious region. The location provides easy access to all amenities Temecula has to offer. As you stand on this land, you'll feel a connection to the earth and a sense of belonging. It's more than just a property. It's a canvas of your dreams, a place where memories will be made and where the legacy of Temecula's wine country can continue. Don't miss out on this extraordinary opportunity. Reach out to me, Kim Meeker at Meeker Realty Group, and let's make your wine country dreams come true. This land won't be available forever, so take the first step towards your future today.